Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to watch someone else's Instagram story without letting them know. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you 3 different methods on how you can do this. So let's get started with the first one. Let's say you want to view the story of Leo Messi. What you have to do here is to click the story before his story. So I'm gonna click Black and Bow Swims story and then slowly swipe left between the stories. Keep holding this cube-like shape so that Instagram won't count this as viewing Leo Messi's story. Leo Messi's story might have been a video. So as you can see here, it's just loading, and that's how it is with videos. So we can really use this method for video stories or series of stories. So let's try looking at Vogue magazine story. So I'm gonna click the story before Vogue magazine story, which is Chanel official. So I'm swiping my screen to the left, but since there's an ad in between, release to go to the ad and then repeat the process so that we can see Vogue magazine story. So once you release your hand to exit stories in Instagram, make sure that you swipe your screen first to the right, and only then you can release your hand and exit Instagram stories. Now for the second method, simply tap and watch their story. So for this instance, I want to watch Leo Messi's story once again. So I'm just gonna click his story in order to view it. And this you can see is really a video. And then just go to Leo Messi's profile and block him for 24 hours. This ensures that they won't be able to see your profile during the story's duration, which at default is 24 hours. However, keep in mind that they may notice if you block them and unblock them and then refollow them after blocking. So now for the final approach, if you want a more straightforward approach, open your favorite browser. So I just open Safari and then go to this site, storysaver.net. If you scroll down, you will see that you have to enter someone's username. So for this example, let me use Kylie Jenner's profile. So I'm just going to input Kylie Jenner's username here and do the CAPTCHA. And once you've proven that you're not a robot, the stories will automatically show up in this page and then just save them as they are. This way, the Instagram user won't be able to see that you viewed their story. And those are some methods that can help you watch someone's Instagram story without letting them know. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!